You're listening to Once Upon a Pillow, a story podcast for kids by kids. And here are your hosts, Larry and Dork. Hey, Dork.
Hi.
Ready for a new Once Upon a Pillow story?
Okay.
Well, this story comes to us from 8-year-old Siho in Korea, who has a very special
Korea.
pet. Dork, did you say
Korea. Oh, very tasty.
Dork? Korea is a place.
A plate. Oh, of course. I knew that. Yeah. A what?
Korea is a place, not a food.
Really? Then what have I been eating?
Dork, never mind. As I was saying, he has a very special pet. Now, here's the story. And for you listening at home, wait until the end to find out how you can join into Once Upon a Pillow. Once upon a time, a boy named Siho found a narwhal called Bob. Bob had a spiral tusk, like a unicorn's horn, which Siho thought must be magic. Siho planned a pool party for friends to show off his amazing new pet, Bob. Siho wanted shish kebabs and ordered Bob to use his magic tusk. He waited, and nothing happened. Now, guests were arriving, and Siho needed skewers to make shish kebabs, so he quickly looked for sticks. A tree branch was too long, and pencils were too short. Then he found a magic wand with a long, rigid handle that was perfect. His guests sat down for dinner, but when he put the shish kebabs on the magic wand and held them over the fire, they turned into things. Siho's friends were served rubber duck kebabs, jigsaw puzzle kebabs, and Lego kebabs. Everyone was hungry and angry at Siho for the prank. They started to leave. Suddenly, the objects turned into yummy shish kebabs. Everyone was amazed at Siho's trick, and the party was a huge hit. Siho looked down at Bob, and Bob winked at Siho. How well did you understand the story? Download the workbook to learn and play. Take the Storytime Workshop. Let's bring your story to life.